Let me whistle first. Where? I used to watch these things on TV. I never knew I will come in contact with one of those until a friend of mine recently called me. Akaniambia njoo nikuonyeshe maneno hapa kwa showroom yangu. Angalia. Woof. Hey, hey. Have you looked at those suspension? This is a monster truck. This is just a Hilux diesel manual but cooked. Sema kupikwa. Eh? Very raced, very nice. Unaona kitu ya black ndio exhaust by the way. This car has been cooked. Unasikia? Everything is just on its own world. Look at the suspension. Wewe niambie, which road can this truck not go through it? Hakuna pale gari ipiti, be it mawe, be it matope, be it ni mchanga, everywhere na iko high, unasikia unapanda na ngazi kuingia huko nyuma. Single cabin, Toyota Hilux by the way. So just look at the suspension. Gari imepikwa na ikaiva. So guys, if you also need such a car, ni gari ambayo it will turn people's necks by the way. It's a car whereby you can pass anywhere, you pass anywhere you want. And of course it will turn necks. And it's a very big car, and of course the space is just as usual, a very big space for parking. This is a Vigo, as I told you. Hii ni Vigo. So unajuanga kuna kuanga na Invisible, kuna kuanga na Vigo na kuna kuanga na Revo. So guys, chukua mnyama diesel, manual. Pick the car. Nenda utese nayo mtaani, hakuna pahali unakwama. Hilux hapa. If you need to buy it, my number is there, just call me.